Hello, I'm Ederson Oliveira. I'll be presenting this video for DotNetNuke.com. In this video, I'll be talking about a module called Dynamic User Directory from Data Springs. So with this module, you will be able to create a list of users in your .NET website, and there are a couple of features in this module that are very attractive in my opinion. One is the ability to create templates. You can create a template of the way the directory should look like, and of course you have to know a little bit of HTML, a little bit of CSS most likely to make sure that things will look fine. But again, it's a heavily template based type of module. So let's install this module and have a look around. This will be my first time using this module. So here I have my development site, which is a DNN560. I'm gonna log into the backend as super user because I have to install the module. So from here, I'm going to host module definitions, and then I'm gonna go to the action menu and then install module. I'm gonna click browse, and here is the module that I have already downloaded. Okay, so this is the zip installation file. I'm just gonna click open and then go next. Next again, this is just regular installation. Next again, accept the license, click next. Let's have a look if everything went fine here. No error messages, perfect. So let's click return. Now let's see if the module is here. Okay, Dynamic User Directory. So this is the module. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to add a new page to the site, so we can put the directory module. So this is directory, and this including the menu, visible to everybody. All users will be able to see. Okay, so now we just have to update. So the new page is created. I'm going to delete the standard HTML module. And on the top where it says module, drop down, I'm going to select Dynamic User Directory. So let's add to this page. So as we usually expect with modules from Data Springs, they usually give some initial shortcuts to set up initial settings, set up template. Here we have both of them. One thing that I want to mention about this module is it integrates well with both the dynamic registration module, which is also a module from Data Springs, and it also does integrate well with the DNN core profile. Okay, so let's click set up initial settings, I guess. Let's go there. So from here, it comes already with the module configuration option pre-selected, and I can see already some, I would say, interesting settings that we can have a look at them. Records per page, so I guess at 0 will mean that it will show all records, maybe. Yeah, leave 0 to ignore pagination control, so we can specify how many records, how many users we want in each page of the module. We also have repeat columns if we want to list users in columns as well. Repeat direction if we want vertical or horizontal. Sort field, which field it should be sorted by. So we have the standard .NETNuke fields. I'm assuming that, and actually I want to try that, if we create a custom field in DNN custom profile, I'm assuming that this field will also be listed here, and I will also be able to add this field to our directory. That's one thing that I want to try with this module. So we have sorting, ascending, descending, and then we do have some more, I would say, interesting options here. For instance, we can include or exclude roles of users. Let's say that maybe we have some admin users that we don't want to list in the directory. Maybe we just want to list clients or any other role that you may have on your website. So you can check the roles that you want to include and exclude. Actually, this option, if you check administrators, you are saying that I want to exclude. Oh, well, actually it goes in combination of this field, I guess. Exclude or include users by role. If I select exclude, then I will be able to select which roles I want to exclude. If I select include, then it will do the opposite. If I check clients, it will include clients in the listing. So those two options will go hand in hand together. You can select which roles you want to include in the directory. You can also allow people to export to Excel. But now let's just do this. Let's just save it from here. I just want to get it up and running as quickly as possible to see how it looks like. So I have saved. I'm going to let's have a look at directory template. Let's see what we have here. Oh, so actually we have a WYSIWYG editor that we can manage how the list will look like. This is great. You see, we have two templates here. We have the item template and we have the item list template, which is the template that will show the full list, the complete list. And then we have the user detail template, which will show the details of a certain user that you click, maybe in their name, maybe in their image. So you can actually combine the list template, which is one template, and then the user detail template. So let's do a quick test here. Let's say that in the list template, I'm going to show the username. So I'm gonna put here username and then first name. I'm just copying from the list of tokens. Those are the tokens that you can use, and they will replace the token with the information. So let's just list like this. Just I guess to make it a little bit more interesting, let's just put a horizontal line here. And in the user details, let's say that we want to show first name, and then we want to show last name, and then we want to show email address as well. Let's say email. Let's break the line here. Let's put this in bold. Let's make first name and last name a little bit bigger. Let's go with maybe heading 2. Let's show email. Let's show display name as well. So let's just put it down here. Display name. Okay, and then let's put this in bold. Let's save this. Okay, so now let's click Exit Control Panel. And yes, I can see it here. This is the end of part 1 of the video review on Dynamic User Directory module from Data Springs.